Today, Southern Gardening is back at the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station. They have some gorgeous Angelonia plants growing in their gardens. Let's take a look at some of these plants. The Angelonia Angelface Series is a group of ornamental plants known for their vibrant, snapdragon-like flowers and versatility in gardens and landscapes. Angelface Wedgwood Pink has flowers that are celebrated for their delicate, soft pink and white hues. Angelface Perfectly Pink is another variety with pink flowers within the Angelface series. It is known for its vivid pink flowers that are slightly larger than those of other Angelonia varieties. The blooms have a classic snapdragon-like shape, and their bright, saturated pink color makes them a striking addition to the landscape. Angelface White and Angelface Blue are two other varieties in the Angelface series. Each variety has flowers adorned with a subtle eye in the center, adding an elegant touch to their overall look. The flowers are abundant and large, creating a striking display against the backdrop of glossy, dark green, lance-shaped leaves. This contrast between the colored blooms and the rich green foliage adds depth and visual interest to the garden setting. Angelface Angelonia flowers are not only beautiful, but also resilient, thriving in full sun and displaying a prolific blooming habit throughout the growing season. If you are ever in Poplarville, Mississippi, you should stop by the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station to see their display gardens. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.